Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on October 11th. The Aleppo earthquake 1138. On October 11, 1138, a devastating earthquake struck Aleppo, in present-day Syria. It is remembered as one of the deadliest quakes in history, killing over 200,000 people. The disaster destroyed most of the city and caused years of hardship. Its impact changed the region's history and reminded humanity of nature's unstoppable force. The Second Boer War begins 1899. On October 11, 1899, the Second Boer War erupted in South Africa between the British Empire and the Boer republics of Transvaal and the Orange Free State. The conflict began over control of land rich in gold and diamonds. It featured sieges and guerrilla battles and lasted until 1902. The British victory reshaped the political and colonial landscape of southern Africa. Apollo 7 launch 1968. On October 11, 1968, NASA launched Apollo 7, the first manned mission of the Apollo program. Astronauts Wally Schirra, Don Eisel, and Walter Cunningham tested the spacecraft systems in Earth's orbit. They also made the first live TV broadcast from space. The mission's success paved the way for the historic moon landing the following year. First American woman to walk in space 1984. On October 11, 1984, astronaut Kathryn Sullivan became the first American woman to walk in space. She accomplished this during the Space Shuttle Challenger mission STS-41G with astronaut David Leestma. They tested satellite refueling techniques, marking a huge milestone for women in science and space exploration. The first episode of Saturday Night Live 1975. On October 11, 1975, NBC aired the first episode of the legendary comedy show Saturday Night Live. With stars like Chevy Chase, Dan Aykroyd, and John Belushi, it brought live sketches and political satire to TV. The famous line "Live from New York, it's Saturday night" became iconic. The show soon became a cultural phenomenon and remains popular decades later. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.